Oh my god. Like you just come up randomly with your G7X looking at like, hi, what do you want?
Jacques.
What do you want?
What?
Do you want me to do?
You. Fine. Then I've been sent to go bother someone else. She's in the bathroom, so I can't really do that right now. I'm gonna set it up right here, and she's gonna be like so caught off guard and not even notice it.
Epic prank.
Yeah.
Epic prank.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Way to kill it. Just kidding. I love being a film major. What came out of your mouth?
A film major. You're like this guy.
He's great.
Jacques.
Jacques.
Yeah. I made a choice. It took me forever.
Do you dye your hair that color?
Oh my god. A story time.
Story time. Yeah, that's been recording you this whole time. Epic prank.
Yeah. Ready? Wait. Just give it a second. Wait. Okay. Look at that mirror. Yeah.
Did y'all do bath salts before I walked in here?
I don't know. I think
Maybe.
This is the coffee, probably.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
I'm gonna mention that to you. Like you, I was like, hey, Patrick.
We're in class right now. I'm in class right now, actually, because Patrick's done because he sucks. But anywho, we're supposed to watch this video on this 5-minute break of ours. But yeah, we got this popping off. Obviously, cam's off. This guy's chillaxing, you know, whatever he wants to do. Don't really know what's going on in this video right now. Not paying attention to it because I suck because I'm vlogging at the same time. But like, it's totally fine. Patrick, you want me to hand it off to you?
No, girl, I'm busy.
So this is how you make me feel.
Absolutely. I'm happy that that's.
Are you even in frame?
Yeah, I am. Good job. Wow. A true videographer.
I'm so hungry. I like want to eat food. I just want to like hang out and like chill out, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Chill out. You know what I mean by chill out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Signing off for now.
It's mathematics, love. Madness in there.
Go
Actually,
on.
literally, no, I'm done. This composition right now with like you in the foreground, me in the mid, and then like, and it's framed in this. I'm done.
Are you done now?
Yeah, I am. This time for real.
Again, I feel like he's so like sarcastic to me all of a sudden. Stop! I can't
I said, hey Emily, can I grab your coat for you? Because I was already at the coat rack, and you go, this. Can you stop with the sarcasm? I don't need it now. And I was like, is that a no to me getting your coat? Like what?
Thumbnail. This is
64. She knows no repeats. I thought that I was crazy. I thought that I was crazy. I thought that I had a weird time. Get out. I'm hungry.
Oh, okay, yes. We ordered food. Ew, I look like a freaking mess, bro. Like,
Dude, your hair is one solid color right now. I don't want to hear it.
your hair is like 50 Shades of Elaina. Anyway.
50 Shades of fuck. That's what it is.
I guess so. But you know who else is 50 Shades?
What?
What else will we get?
Patrick.
Oh my god.
I told you.
I'm Emily.
You want to keep going? Let's go. Let's go.
Sure. I'm Emily.
I'm Patrick.
I'm Elaina.
Oh Christ. I was supposed to do that?
No, I'm Elaina.
I'm Patrick.
No, see? You've played this before. I'm freaking you out. Don't worry. Right? I know, right? Feminism.
Oh my god.
Exactly.
Emily is a woman.
Mind the flip-flop. Spot the flip-flop. Where is it?
Dude, I used to do that all the time. My roommate freshman year. Damn it. This recording is probably so long.
Oh, bonk. Bonk.
I'm gonna re-edit that with the sound effect. Ready?
Oh, you didn't have to do it again.
Oh no! I was scared. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Bonk. Let's stop this video. Stop the video.
Oh my god! I can't wait to watch. Okay, I'm just gonna say that now. How do you fuck? Wow, this red is intense.
Yeah.
Get the out.
Crazy.
This wind is not in our favor today.
No.
But my hair turned out decent. I like tried something different, but we're here on the South Shore because Tyler said so.
It's cute, it's small, it's cute.
Yeah, there's a tampon thing over yonder somewhere.
Yeah.
So that's really hot. So yeah, we have like a something over there. I don't know what that is. An oil something, I'm assuming. But I don't know if is there oil in like Michigan?
Maybe? The queen, the one and only.
The one and only. Right there. Yeah. You like it?
Those sunglasses?
I like it. I like
King? King alert.
Is this like a video or you like?
Oh, vlogging.
Oh, you're vlogging.
Costume plots suck. Also, I don't want to design men's day wear, okay? The sack suits in the 1900s were ugly as The only reason, like, that I think that men were able to dress so poorly was because that women were, like, super oppressed during that time. And, like, they were too scared to tell their husbands that they looked like in their like oversized like pants, like A-line pants and bowler hats. I'm done. That's that.
Oh god, okay, there we go. Ah, I look disgusting. I haven't vlogged in so long. Look at my eczema, it's red. Anyway,
Actually, it's been looking better lately.
sis, no. So we're editing out here. I'm right there. We're doing homework. Well, she's doing homework. I'm editing my own BS because vlog footage is very piled up right now. So that's what's going on right now. Elena's gonna be my face later. Don't know what she's gonna do. It's gonna be really fun. It's gonna be very therapeutic because I'm in need of de-stressing. And I don't really have any means of de-stressing anymore in life. So like that's fine. I'm always just stressed. So
Me too. Oh,
you know my reasonings, right? Like what I'm talking about?
yes. We have very different reasonings.
Oh,
my God.
sis!
That's because I started doing it once a week so that it doesn't get so bad that it's like a 2-hour job because it's so dirty. It's a lot easier to do it every week when you can just do like a little once over, like an easy sweep and then just like mop it rather than having to like, it's super dirty and you have to like go over it like twice. So it's sweep and mop day.
We'll tune in later to see if she even does that, so it's fine.
I will.
I'm not even like giving you like crap. Like, oh my god, you're not doing your chores because like literally I don't care. So, cause I work, I go to school, and I'm always sad and depressed, and my heart's still broken. So, there you go. It's okay if you don't clean the floors. There's many more important things in life to worry about, you know.
I'm turning into my mother. Holy.
Dude, listen, Leisha, fantastic woman. If you're ever gonna see this, Leisha, hello. She'll never see this. Anyway.
Yeah, I just like 3 times. Bro.
Okay, this is getting to 5 minutes. I'm gonna end this now. These are insanely lame.
Damn. Now I'm gonna feel bad. It's okay. Just go for it.
But this is what I put on white crooked body.
No, you have to say that it's the blank for me. That's how the challenge goes.
Oh, it's the white crooked body for me.
It's the simping over guys that treat you like trash for me.
Okay, it's the fake horror film for me.
Wait, fake horror film?
Yeah,
What's the fake ass
you
one?
watch you still be a about
Oh,
it. Anyway.
yes. It's the not being able to pay half the rent, but having all the money in the world for Ubers for me.
Bro, it's for like it's for the okay. It's the uncooked, gluten-free noodleness for me.
It's the inability to handle for me.
Listen. It's the walking question mark and walking question mark and or semicolon for me.
It's the being scared to use your for me.
Okay, it's the always bleeding from the eyes for art desperation for me.
It's the constant bragging about how good you are at for me.
It's the nervous chihuahua always barking, I'm sorry for me.
It's the crooked song lyric tattoo on your arm for me. It's crooked.
So are you! It's the team bleeding wrist, bleeding for me.
Oh my god. It's the using your dog as a personality trait for me.
Oh, I love Roxy. She looks so good. Okay. It's the TikTok reliant for me.
It's the flying home and every time you experience a minor inconvenience for me.
Not anymore. You're retired. It's the several eyeliner because I suck at actually using eyeliner user for me.
Ouch! It's the having a whole journal just for writing about that you're not even for me.
I'm sorry. I can't use.
Oh my god.
Anyway, it's the cooking skills equals the IQ of a fish tick question mark for me. And period.
It's the having arms and legs for me.